Hey, Yeti Trades here. Let's go over how the market finger diddled my pleasure hole today. Took advantage of me, straight up. Didn't even ask. So, I took two bad trades this morning. One of them would have played out really well, but this coin kind of screwed with my mentality, and I cut the other one for a loss. So let's start with coin. I took shorts right here. This was part of my game plan from last night. I had a spot to long it, had a spot to short it, and we were close enough to the short spot. And my target was to break the 84 zone right here and keep pushing down. So I got filled in up here above 84.75, and I guess it was still really volatile because I got a terrible fill. Even by the bottom of this candle, I wasn't back to break even. I don't understand, how some option prices move, and coin's one of those. Apparently, the stock moves in my favor, and the price of the option does not. So by this point here, I was losing quite a bit of money, and I'm deciding if I'm going to cut it or add to it and give it another chance. And then this NPC happens. So at this point, I'm like, well, screw it. Let's see what happens around the red to green spot. It did not go green, which made me feel a little bit more confident in it. So I added to it over here, holding this 2-minute 50 EMA purple line. And even all the way back down here, I wasn't back to break even. I was still about 8 cents away on my contracts. And I was playing. Oh man, it went way up. I'm not going to pull those up. So I was playing the 83s for Friday. And still not even back to break even after getting filled up here and adding up here. So when we couldn't keep pushing down, put in this little doji reversal bullcrap, I cut it on this candle when we recaptured 84.75 for a big fat L. And even after all this pullback, it didn't go back to break even until right here. And it didn't go into profit, more than about 10 cents right here. And then, of course, the big NPC happened on the Coinbase news. But coin, man, what a weird mover. Didn't like it at all. It's got to be one of those where you catch it 100% in your favor, or, it can shake you out pretty quick. The other one I was in at the same time was the Qs. I grabbed calls on it. Overall, market was looking strong, and it looked like we were going to hold up pretty well. So we came down on this 5-minute, held the 9 EMA. So I took calls as we broke over the VWAP right here. This nice little flag break coming down. I took Friday's expiration, so tomorrow. I didn't play daily, 0 DTEs. And I grabbed the 378s on it. And with that big loss I was dealing with on coin, I got shook out. I didn't even let it come down and test the 20 EMA right here. And it didn't even have to get to it. This is a typical shakeout, quick sell-off and reversal type candle. You see it here again. So I know better. Had I been in the right spot, place of mind, I would have held through this. But I got, double finger banged right here between Qs and coin. So after that, I got up and I took a 35-40 minute walk. Had to clear my mind, and came back still a little bit fuming. So I meditated for about 30 minutes. Really helped kind of focus me in, and I was able to scrape back a decent amount of that loss. I still closed the day down $200, but I got a fair amount of it back, and I decided just to leave it at that because I really wasn't testing anything else at that point. Just take that L and be done with it. So we'll just have to come back tomorrow, hopefully be in the right place of mind and hit what lays in front of us. Anyway, that's what I got for you this time, guys. Just wanted to go over those two losses and show you that, I don't only post wins. There are days I take big L's, and it's all part of trading. So let my lessons help you realize that, big L's can't be the day you throw in the towel. Don't let it start revenge trading. Just take it easy and go from there. Catch you on the next one. Thanks.